Hey everyone, this is Smikey here, and today I will be showing you what I did to modify my Noctua NF-A15 heatsink. So just giving you some specs on the computer that you can see here. This is it all done. You can see I've got some custom sleeving that I've been doing in there, not quite done as you see on the power supply. Just some specs. That power supply is a EVGA 1000 watt. I think that's a Supernova. The CPU is an Intel i7 4790K, and if you're saying 4790K that's old, yeah, I did this about 5 or 6 years ago. The motherboard is an Asus Z97 Pro. I've got Corsair Vengeance low profile 16 gig 1866 megahertz, which is really slow now. I have a Western Digital 2 terabyte hard drive and Kingston 240 gigabyte SSD. And then for the graphics card, I have the Asus Strix GTX 980, and it is the 4 gigabyte version. So that's just giving me a little bit of update, but I've always not really liked the heat or the fans that come with the Noctua heatsinks. They are the best air-cooled heatsink in my opinion, and the fans do output a lot of they're quiet and they do the job, which is awesome, but I've never liked the color. So this kit that I'll be doing is a Cromax upgrade, and then I will be modifying it myself with some red LEDs. So you can see here, this is what comes in the kit, 2 fans. Then you get your covers for your heatsink. The fan comes with little rubber corners on the edge so you can kind of accent your color. That's everything that comes in the box. I went with red because my theme's red. Here's the LED strips that I'll be using with a Molex connector on the end. And then this was me trying to get them soldered together and troubleshoot that. Here is the Cromax covers on and the fans in with my LEDs. And I just put them right underneath the cover. I had to modify it a little bit so it would fit. And then this is with everything on, and that first picture that you have already seen with all my red lights on. And then the side of my case back on, which is a Cooler Master Half X. I find this stuff interesting. I hope you did too. And I will have another video out in a little while, and I will see you in the next one.